To fix an oven that's not heating, several potential issues should be considered. A broken temperature sensor, a faulty or dirty igniter, or a tripped circuit breaker are common causes of this problem. To address the issue, start by checking the temperature sensor, ensuring it's positioned 90 degrees to the back of the oven and keeping any heating elements away from it. Next, inspect the igniter by turning off the gas supply, removing the oven from the wall, and opening the oven door to access the igniter. With the oven turned on, check if the igniter glows for 90 seconds or more without the gas igniting, in which case it should be replaced. If the igniter doesn't glow, turn off the gas and use a multimeter to check for continuity, replacing the igniter if none is found. If the igniter is dirty, use a toothbrush to clean it and a sewing needle to unclog the pilot hole. Additionally, check the circuit breaker by locating the oven's label on the circuit panel, switching it off and then back on if it's tripped. By following these steps, it's possible to resolve the issue and get the oven working again.